Whatever it is that is not enough in your life, finances, wisdom, knowledge, experience, education, pour your not enough to the God of more than enough. Pour out your not enough oil, and it will be more than enough. Give your not enough fish, and God will multiply it. Give your not enough bread, and God will multiply it. If you have a faith na kasing liit lang ng mustard seed, you can move mountains. Naalala niyo si Gideon sa Judges chapter 6? From 32,000 soldiers, pinababa ng Panginoon to 300 soldier. Ang kalaban nila, thousands of army. Logical lang, yung pinadala ni Gideon na 32,000. Pero ano sabi ng Panginoon? Sobra yan, bawasan mo. Yung 32,000, naging 10,000. Yung 10,000, naging 300. Bakit inalaw ng Panginoon na bumaba up to 300? Kasi nung nanalo sila laban sa mga Amalekites, hindi nila pwedeng kuhanin ng credit kasi alam nila outnumbered sila. Alam nilang not enough yung kanilang military resource, pero ginamit ng Lord yung not enough to bring the victory to them. It is not about what the statistics are saying. This is not about what your bank accounts are saying. This is not all about what your employer or critics are saying. The final say is always the Lord. God will do His part, but you have to do yours. You have to obey. You have to trust God's design. You have to trust God with all your heart. Salig sa Ginoo. He will supply all your needs according to His riches.